Hey, what's up, y'all? We're talking today about Hog VR, and lead up to the webinar. I just had an idea. You know, Anthony Valcourt is director of marketing here at Hog, and Anthony, you've never been on the back of a paint truck, right?
No.
I don't think Anthony's ever even been out on the road where we're striping, and so I've just given the directive, Anthony, we're going striping tomorrow, baby. Hey.
Yeah. Adrenaline, actually trying this for the first time was, wow, unbelievable. I have never been on a job. This was my first time actually laying lines, but I've trained with the Hog VR for upwards of 40 hours. Helped me get familiar with the switch box, get me familiar with the pattern change and all the exposure that I needed. And believe it or not, I was very confident today to see how I was able to lay these lines, switch pattern, and man, if I can do it, you can do it too.